Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software platform, which is Synder and a QuickBooks. So to get started with a quick analysis review, Synder is one of the most specialized automated bookkeeping and an accounting for e-commerce and the SaaS business. It excels in syncing data out from platforms like Stripe, Shopify, Amazon, and PayPal into a QuickBook or a Zero. Why not a full-fledged accounting suite? Synder is a powerful automation engine that enhances existing system with a bulletproof transaction syncing and reconciliation. Then talking about QuickBook on the other hand remains one of the most trusted and a comprehensive accounting platform in 2025, built for small to mid business. It all cover invoicing expenses, bank reconciliation, inventory payroll, and a tax filing, all in one platform or all in one place. It can also rendered and go-to for many growing businesses. And talking about what these two platforms are best for, starting with the QuickBook is best for small to medium business needing a full accounting suite, while Synder is best for e-commerce and the SaaS business that sells across all platforms. And talking about the overall conclusion about this, to help you decide which of these will be a better option for your business. So QuickBook is if you want a comprehensive all-in-one account system with a flexibility to scale and robust features across billing, payrolls, and taxes. It's best for traditional service. You can simply go for QuickBook. On the other hand, if you want a multi-channel e-commerce SaaS business already using QuickBook or Zero and need a powerful automation and syncing of high volume transaction across payment platform, it complement is to use the Synder, and that's it.